Sometimes I feel it's just not fair when you guys watch my video and you see this scrumptious meal and you just can't taste it. I feel so bad. I feel so bad in my spirit. You're welcome back to my channel, guys. So today in my today's video, I will be showing you how I cooked this jollof rice with cabbage. You can all agree with me that jollof rice is the heart of any party or any home. Jollof rice can never go out of season in any way. Let me know in the comment section if you feel jollof rice can go out of season. I'm frying my tin tomato with this tomato puree and my sauce. So guys, if you're new here, you're welcome to my channel. Please endeavor to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, or you want to wait till the end and see all the magic which I'm going to be showing you in this video before you subscribe. It is all good. I will appreciate if you subscribe at the end of the video. Put the bell on to notify you anytime we drop a new video. Look at the sauce. Oh my god, look at it. The sound of this sauce is doing chuk, 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 chuk. The heart of every jollof rice is a good sauce. If your sauce is very, very sweet, definitely your jollof rice is going to come out really, really well. So we give it a good taste, then we pour in our rice. So to all my returning subscribers, I say you're welcome. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. So actually in today's video, I'll be showing you some series of different food, which to let you know that the passion that I have for cooking is so much. I love to cook and I love to, simplify my cooking in every day that I cook. I simplify my cooking, and cooking inspires me so much to even do more. So here, are you the gang of tomato and onions in jollof rice? Please let me know in the comment section. I love to put tomato and onions in jollof rice. It gives it this um kind of awkward taste. And when you're eating that rice and you see the thin skin of the tomato and onions, it fills me up. I really, really love it. So guys, please write a comment if you like this video and give it a thumbs up. I will really, really appreciate you guys. And thank you all so much for all the love that you show me on my channel. And again, I'm going to show you one of ways which I simplify my cooking to make my cooking very, very easy in the kitchen. So like right now, I am going to be adding butter into my jollof rice. Jollof rice without butter is like tea without milk. The butter melts into the rice. It gives it that it moistens the rice. It gives it that look that, I don't know, it just melts anytime you put butter inside your jollof rice. It is very, very nice. So let me know in the comment section if you are those gang. Some people don't like to put butter in their jollof rice, but I don't like to put too much oil in my jollof rice. So as such, I use butter to balance it. Yes, I'm going to be adding cabbage into my rice. I'm sure I have never shown you guys that I put cabbage in my jollof rice. Yes, I do. It gives it this feeling, that you're balancing your diet, with vegetable and carbohydrates. Yes. So you try it. Let me know in the comment section if you have eaten jollof rice with cabbage before in it, or you want to try it. I would really, really like to know. And if you are new here, let me know where you are watching me from, and let me know if you will be trying this kind of this recipe out. So at this moment, our jollof rice is still a little bit hard. So I will cover it and allow it to steam a little bit. Did you see that tomato? Can you spot the tomato and the onions? Oh my God, it's so the aroma. I can't tell you how the aroma is so it's captivating. Yes. So guys, please continue to watch and see the outcome of this jollof rice. So at the end, I'm going to be plating this jollof rice with snail and goat meat, which I have already sauced um, earlier before. It's peppered. It's been fried in pepper sauce. Yes. So that's it. I'm going to be showing you another recipe. This is just one of my, showcasing some of my food which I cook. This is a foriro. This efforiro was just done basically just little to be eaten in the house. So I used spinach and I used ugu to make this efforiro. I fried the sauce, put some pomo, put some bokoto, put some meat and shaki into it. Voila, it was ready. Again, this sauce. This sauce is going to be eaten with rice. So I've got my smoked mackerel and I've diced my pepper. I'm frying it in palm oil. So guys, see, when I tell you the passion of cooking for me is just the in thing. So I'm now going to be adding some prawns into it. Oh, I grill this prawn myself at home. I usually make my smoked prawn myself in my grill. If you want to know how I make my smoked prawns, I will put the link in the description below in one of my videos which I have done, and we'll be having it with white rice, egg, and plantain. I hope you guys like it. It's just a random. I've just squashed so many of my videos together for you guys to see. Again, this is another day. This is turkey. So I have grilled the turkey. I've boiled the turkey. I've grilled it, and I'm frying in pepper sauce. Pepper sauce. The pepper sauce is so nice. Is so basically this pepper sauce is just onions, a lot of onions and pepper. The pepper is very very minute and I fried it. So I cooked some rice by the side and some dodo which we will be using to eat this. So guys, I really really appreciate all of you for watching this video. This is just video, so, combined video for you to see the passion in which I love to cook. I love to be in the kitchen. I love to put smiles on other people's face. So guys, thank you for watching, and I will also be showing you the secrets to my easy cooking at home. Anytime I'm cooking, I like to simplify my cooking. So one of them is my knorr cubes. I get my knorr cubes. I hate it when I have to be opening knorr cubes at every point in time that I have to cook. So this is what I do. I buy lots of bags of knorr, and my children usually just open it, and I have it in a bowl, and I use my dry blender to blend it. So as you guys can see that I am doing, I will blend it and into powdery form, and I have a jar which I have labeled crushed knorr. So I only have a scoop of a spoon, which I usually use to scoop it anytime I want to cook. I scoop it and I use it to cook immediately. So guys, let me know any other thing that you use to simplify your cooking at home. So this is just one of the ways. I have so many other things which I simplify myself to cook. So guys, let me know in the comment section what you guys do to simplify your cooking at home. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it has been of help, especially the knorr part, and I hope you enjoyed the cooking part. This is just to let you know how passionate I am, the love I have for cooking. So thank you so much for watching. Till I see you again in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you're new here, yes, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Stay safe. God bless you all. I love you guys so much. A massive hug for all of you. Thank you for watching. Bye.